Scaling an Airbnb business sounds exciting. More listings, more bookings, more revenue. But here's what actually happens. At 1 listing, everything feels manageable. At 5, messages pile up, cleaners miss jobs, and calendar drift quietly starts costing you money. That's the moment most hosts realize what got you here won't get you there. The hosts who scale successfully don't just add more properties, they build systems. In this episode, I'm going to show you the 5 systems every professional host uses to scale and the exact order you should build them. Because scaling isn't about working harder, it's about building systems that work without you. Welcome to Smarter Hosting, powered by Host Planet and Guesty. This episode is for hosts adding more properties, property managers growing a portfolio, anyone feeling stretched managing multiple listings. Because the difference between a side hustle and a scalable business is systems. Tip 1. You need a central booking system. Managing multiple platforms manually is where scaling breaks first. Airbnb, Vrbo, Booking.com, and your own direct booking website. Without a system, you risk double bookings, missed updates, and pricing inconsistencies. What you need is a property management system like Guesty, which becomes your single source of truth. Everything flows through one place. Action step here, write down every platform you log into, then choose one system to act as your central hub. That's your foundation. Tip 2, automate your guest communication. At scale, messaging becomes overwhelming. You'll answer the same questions every single day. Check-in times, parking, access details, and of course, what's the Wi-Fi code? Instead of replying manually, build automated workflows within Guesty. Booking confirmed, message sent. Pre-arrival, instructions sent. Checkout, reminder sent. This will save you hours every single week. Action step here, take your most common guest message and turn it into an automated template. Just one, that alone will save you hours. Tip 3, cleaning needs its own system. This is where scaling often breaks. Different checkouts, multiple properties, multiple cleaners. Without structure, jobs get missed, guests arrive early, properties aren't ready. Professional hosts systemize this. Booking ends, cleaning job created, cleaner notified. No chasing, no confusion. Action step here, pick one process to systemize. Cleaning, maintenance, or restocking. Start with cleaning because it's the highest impact. Quick pause, this series is sponsored by Guesty. Guesty helps hosts and property managers automate their operations from messaging to multi-channel distribution and reporting. Instead of juggling tools, you can run your entire business from one dashboard. Simply scan the QR code on screen or hit the link in the show notes to learn more. And don't forget, Smarter Hosting viewers get 50% off Guesty Lite, which is ideal if you're running up to 3 rentals. All right, back to it. Here's the biggest mistake hosts make when scaling. They add more properties before building systems, but scaling chaos just creates more chaos. Systems first, then growth. Tip 4, you need a pricing system. Static pricing doesn't work when you scale. Demand changes daily. Events, seasonality, competitor pricing. Professional hosts use dynamic pricing tools that adjust rates automatically. And Guesty even has a built-in pricing optimizer so hosts can stop guessing and ensure their pricing responds instantly to the market. Action step here, review your next 30 days of pricing. Ask yourself, have I adjusted this recently or just set it and forgotten it? If it's static, that's your opportunity. Tip 5, track your performance. If you're scaling without tracking, you're guessing. Professional hosts track occupancy, average daily rates, revenue, booking pace, because data tells you what's working, what's not, and where to improve. And with Guesty, you can track all your performance instantly from a single dashboard. Action step here, track just one metric, occupancy rate. Start there, then build out from that. All right, let's make this practical. How many listings are you currently managing? 1, 5, even 10 or more? Drop it in the comments and tell me, what's the biggest challenge you're facing right now? If this episode helped you, hit like and share it with another host. Make sure you subscribe to House Planner for more insights into building smarter, more profitable short-term rental businesses. This is Smarter Hosting, powered by House Planner and Guesty. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.